Hello and welcome to Reformulate AI. In this video we will teach you everything you need to know about how to install Milvus. Milvus is a popular vector database which enables storing vector embeddings and performing efficient similarity search. You can install Milvus on any platform using Docker. Milvus maintains a Docker Compose YAML file for each release, which makes installing Milvus in standalone mode simple. To install Milvus in standalone mode, first install Docker. Then download the Docker Compose YAML file for the version of Milvus you want to install. Edit the configurations in the Docker Compose YAML file as needed, and finally run the Docker Compose up command to install and run the necessary Docker containers. Milvus can also be deployed to a Kubernetes cluster for increased scalability, which is referred to as cluster mode. An even easier way to install Milvus is with Milvus Lite. This method is useful for testing purposes, however Milvus Lite is not recommended for production scenarios. Milvus Lite is self-contained and can be easily integrated into a Python application or run as part of a Jupyter notebook. To install Milvus Lite, simply import default_server from the Milvus package and call default_server start before running any PyMilvus code. For Python users, you can install the PyMilvus SDK using the pip package manager. Simply run pip install PyMilvus to install the latest version of the SDK. To install SDKs for other programming languages, refer to the API reference section of the Milvus documentation. It is important to install the correct version of the SDK which corresponds to your Milvus database version. You can specify the version as part of the pip install PyMilvus command. To find out which version you should install, refer to the compatibility table on the main page of the Python API reference in the Milvus documentation. If you are using Milvus in your project but receive an error that says, ModuleNotFoundError, no module named PyMilvus, you either have not installed the PyMilvus package in the current environment, or installed an incorrect version. You can check which version of PyMilvus you installed by running the pip show PyMilvus command, or verify the installation by running python-c from PyMilvus import collection. If you instead receive the error, ModuleNotFoundError, no module named Milvus, it is likely because you are trying to use an older version of Milvus, prior to version 2.0, or other utility functions which are distributed in the pip package Milvus. Uninstall and reinstall the PyMilvus package with the correct version to fix this error. For a standalone Docker Milvus installation, to check which version of the Milvus database you have installed, you can look in your Docker Compose YAML configuration file. The image key listed as part of the standalone service section should contain the Milvus database version as part of the Docker image tag. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below or visit our website at reformulate.ai for more content.